when you look at statistics and whatever, like you look at, marriage rates and like the rates of single mothers and all of these other mad stuff. Yeah, I've told, like, obviously I'm 23 years old, innit? And obviously I talk to my friends and I've said to them, you watch when I get to about 30 or 40, you lot think the marriage rates and single mother rates are bad now. I'm saying it's gonna get in, I think it's gonna get to the 80s and 90s
Oh
in
yeah.
terms of like divorce rates and single
Guys, do you
motherhood.
know do you want to know why as well? Because guys don't want to get married anymore.
Yeah, yeah, they
This is
don't.
the
They
thing.
don't.
Guys used to want to get married.
Girls don't want to get married either.
No, they do
They
but
do.
when they get old. When they get
Yeah.
old, that's when they want. When girls these days, yeah, they don't want to get married. They just want to run around, play around. Even
Yeah.
if they might have a kid here and there, but they just want to mess around, yeah. And then once they get old, where it's like, okay, all their options have started to dry up, and then they see that there's loads of girls that are younger, that are better looking, that are attracting all the guys. Oh, now they want to go and find a good guy to settle down with. Well, guess what? I'm
Mhm.
sorry. In this day and age, a lot of guys are not going for that. A lot of guys just
Mm,
want to be bachelors until they die now.
yeah, facts.
This is the world, and at the end of the day, a lot of you chicks are you have no one else to blame but yourself if your life goes down the toilet, blood. You hear them talking about, oh, men are trash, men are this, men are no. These are men you picked, the guys that you decided were good enough to get your box. Your decisions, your decisions. Why is
Honestly,
that hard for people to be accountable for their own life?
it's it's
That's
it's just,
crazy.
yeah. It really is, man, and it's just
It's like what I was saying to the other girl. They get in the
yeah.
game at 18 and they run around until they're 30, bruv.
I know it's
And
crazy.
then you want to settle down. Settle down with who? Not me, bruv. I just think it's sad, bro, to be honest.
Yeah.
Like, I just think it's sad, and I think a lot of older women need to tell younger women that it's not this whole, oh, YOLO, I'm just gonna mess around and then I'm just gonna find some guy to settle down with. It's a lie. It's not true, because a lot of these older women are single.
Yep.
And the
That's the
fact of the matter is, a lot of guys listen. A lot of guys now know about all this stuff that we've been talking about for the last
red
three
the red pill
years.
stuff.
Red pill. A lot of
Yeah.
guys not understand this thing. A lot of my
Mm,
younger brethren know about this thing. A lot of boys now already have in their head that a lot of these girls are tapped and they don't want to get married, bruv. They just want to
yeah.
get peas. All that's everything that guys are thinking now is, I want to get money so I can live the life I want to live. Yeah, and I'm not gonna get tied down or go and have a bag of baby mamas. That was the mistake them
Mm,
older guys made.
yeah.
Do you get what I'm saying? Like, I'm not, because that's the number one thing I tell all my younger ones. Don't get no one pregnant, bruv.
Yeah, man. Even me, bro. Like one of my brethrens, he's exact same age as me. Been with his girl for a long time. Obviously, he's having a baby with her now. But that's like the first proper like person, that I'm in like kind of circle with that's having a baby, and it's kind of hit me that what, these things do happen. You need to be seriously careful because you don't want to be. Obviously, he's happy because he's been in a long-term relationship with
Yeah,
her,
that's
but
calm. Yeah, that's calm.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, but it's just a bit of an eye opener that, bruv, you can get anyone pregnant at any time now. You're at that age where you're a grown man now. Like you need to really be careful with who you're, sleeping with and doing whatever you're doing with. Be seriously careful because women don't care, bruv. They'll mess your life up and not care at all.
Do you know what it is? I don't even think they thinking they're messing your life up. They're just doing
Yeah,
whatever.
yeah,
They don't even see it as, I'm messing your life up. They're just seeing it as, well, I'm doing what I want to do, and you need to adjust to it, bro.
well,
Number
yeah,
one, do not get no one pregnant, blood. That's the
yeah.
number one
Facts,
thing.
facts, man. You can't be a
Can't do
slave
it.
to
It's
your
too
urges.
much, bro.
Don't
Like,
be a
that's
slave
life
to your
change,
urges.
bro. That's
Yeah,
life changing. You're putting a glass ceiling on your potential in life now, unless you're
yeah,
just gonna be some trash guy and run off, which I don't condone that.
yeah.
So,
For-
like, there's two things. It's either you don't go and be reckless and get some random chick pregnant, or you get girls
yeah.
pregnant and then you've put a glass ceiling on your life. That's it.
You know what's mad? I was in a cab today, yeah, and I was on my way to work, and the cab driver was some black guy, innit? You know, he said to me, he's 53 years old, 30 years older than me. He was like, he feels sorry for our generation.
Mm.
That's what he said to me. He was like, I feel sorry for you lot. Some of the stuff you lot have to deal with, this whole social media age. He said everything is toxic. Like he was telling me it's sad because you lot complain that there's no good women out there, but then apparently the women are complaining there are no good men out there.
I'll
It
be
doesn't even
honest
make
with you. I'll be honest with you. A lot of this is the thing, because it's just like what I will say, that a lot of guys don't want to get married. A lot of guys are
yeah,
scumbags now. Like, we just want
yeah,
to bang girls and that's it. All we want to do is make money, bang girls. That's it, bruv.
yep. Keep it moving.
Keep it moving. You might have a 3 months relationship, 6 months, year relationship. Cut it off, on to the next. Or you might have another relationship and you're still banging other girls.
Yep,
And if
facts.
I've got peas, I can do it, bruv.
What's
And
your
if you don't
like?
like it,
Yeah,
leave. That's the. This is the
yeah,
way the world is going, like, and this is
yeah,
why it's funny that a lot of girls are saying they want a guy that has money. They want a guy that has money, bro. When you get with a guy who really has coins like that, yeah, just best know he's gonna cheat on you, bro. That's the way the
facts,
world is now.
facts.
What? I'm gonna work all this hard to get all this peas, and then I'm just gonna stick with you when I know I can still get other girls that look the same level as you and better. And probably before
Listen,
I got money, I wasn't getting girls like that.
this is what I'm saying. Like the
These girls don't get
delusion,
it, bruv.
the I'm telling you, King, the delusion is crazy. It's just, you know, it boils down to this, yeah. They want a man that's good looking, he's over 6 foot, he's got everything, yeah. And then he has to be a simp, walk the
Yeah.
worship the ground you walk on, and then
Yeah.
at the same time, he's got to be dangerous. Like, how
Do you
can
know
you
what I
have it all? It doesn't make
Fam,
sense. Like,
I heard one girl on one of the back chat cast, yeah.
mhm.
She was like, "Oh yeah, oh your men are meant to worship the ground that women walk on. That's how it was meant to be." I was thinking, what history books was you reading, bruv?
Facts.
Blood, human history has never been like that ever.
Never.
It's now that it's turned into that.
But why is it though?
Because guys
Where
became
has this
weak.
come
Because
from?
men became weak, bruv. That's why, bruv. But I will say it is more of a first world problem. Westernized problems, which are
Yeah,
kind of
that's true.
creeping. They're creeping out into Africa and, the East and stuff like that. But these are America, UK problems, blood.
Yeah, it's just
And do you want to know why? It's because the real reason why there's a lot of problems as well, yeah,